Hi there! In the last video, we showed you how to install accessories that can be used for automatic wire feeding to the welding gun. This time we will take a look at the welding process of stainless steel round pipes. Our welder is looking for the most suitable opportunity to weld. Finally, we can clearly see the flat and smooth welds. The laser welding machine owned by our company is 1000W, 1500W and 2000W, and can weld 0 to 4 0 to 5 and 0 to 6 stainless steel respectively. It can not only achieve the above welding function, it can also be used for wire filling welding. I will show it to you next time.